Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write speech on Father's Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Honorable Principal Sir or Madam, respected teachers, and dear students. Today, we gather here to celebrate a special occasion that holds immense significance in our lives, that is, Father's Day. This day is dedicated for honoring and appreciating the remarkable role that fathers play in our lives. And it is an opportunity for us to express our love and gratitude. Fathers are the unsung heroes in our lives. They are our protectors, providers, and our biggest supporters. They have been there to celebrate our victories, wipe away our tears, and guide us through life's ups and downs. They have shown us the importance of hard work, perseverance, and kindness. They inspire us to dream big, work hard, and never give up. They teach us valuable life lessons and instill important values. Today, let us not only celebrate our own fathers but also recognize and appreciate all father figures and fatherly influences in our lives. Whether it's a by father, stepfather, adoptive father, grandfather, or any other paternal figure, their love and guidance have made a profound impact in our lives. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Thank you for being our heroes, our mentors, and our biggest cheerleaders. May this day be a reminder of the profound impact you have made and continue to make in our lives. Thank you.